I'm Lucas with Lucas Lagoons and Insane Pools. Today we're hanging out at Frankie's Plake. You know, Frankie didn't want to screen his plake in. He wanted really a natural looking lagoon out in the middle of his property. So I got my good friend Jacob here with Mosquito Mist, and he put in a misting system to take care of all the mosquitoes. So now, you know, you can enjoy living outdoors and not having the bugs eating you alive. So Jacob, why don't you tell us a little bit about the system we installed here?
Yeah, absolutely. After you built this beautiful pool, Frankie and his family just could not enjoy the outdoors. The key is to create a barrier around where they're going to be sitting outside, entertaining guests. So he told me the areas he wanted the most, obviously the pool area, the tiki area. So we want to create a barrier of nozzles placed every 10 feet. Risers in the landscaping. We utilize the palms in the back just to create a nice barrier so they can enjoy the pool. It's programmable, and depending on the time of year, you know, right now it's 1st of July, it's bug season. So we're gonna have it going off about 4 times a day, but it's all programmable. Once in the morning, 3 times in the evening, right around sunset. That's when the mosquitoes feed. They're also given a remote. If they know they're gonna have guests over, they can hit that remote a few extra times just so they feel comfortable and they know they're not gonna get bit up.
So what is the liquid that's being sprayed out?
Yeah, it's a great question. So it's a botanical solution we use. It's derived from the chrysanthemum flower. It's the active ingredient in all flea and tick shampoos, so if anybody has any question about their pets, it's perfectly safe for your kids and your pets.
The fact that it's just a plant derivative is really cool, that it, you know, keeps the bugs away, but it's safe for your family. So I'm standing here telling you right now that it's completely changed our outdoor living lifestyle at our home. It's been amazing here at Frank's. So you don't have to hear it from us, but we'll bring Frankie out here and actually ask him how it's been working.
I was super excited to find, you know, Mosquito Mist, and they came out, put this thing in, and man, within 2 or 3 days we were out here all night hanging out, and great when we have parties, and that, like, you know, dusk area where the mosquitoes really come out. That's where we hit the remote, and man, it just gets rid of them. It's fantastic.
Yeah. All right, man, I'm getting my suit on. I'm jumping in.
All right, we'll be waiting.